Safely just arrived in scene. Paramedics taking care of the driver. Truck is leaking. You can see leaking probably fluid over there. Wow, that was a scary one, man. Everything happened right in front of us. That guy managed to escape. He had to fucking run to the ditch. You can see over here. He did a hell of a job. Look at that. Came from there. That's our van right there. He came down here to avoid the truck. That's across. That's all the way across in the highway. That's not even one exit. What? Oh, velho, o que foi, louco?
O cara called the fucking...
You go ahead.
Yeah. Right?
Highway is done. That's exit 24A.